Hello friends, this is Helen with Hellenistique. Welcome back. This is Coffee Time Monday. Today I thought it would be really fun to go through my planner thoughts for 2026. You know, I do still use a paper planner. I thought I would take you on kind of my thought process in what I am planning on doing for 2026. I do have one paper planner that is on its way. Once we receive that, we'll make the final decision together. But until then, I am just kind of talking out loud in this video. So I thought it would be a great time to share this with you as we start off the Monday strong with some strong intentions and wondering what others are using. For 2026, we are going to try to figure this out together. So here we go. I am attempting to use this because I feel like it is going to save me on those days where I feel like I need somewhere to quickly jot down things. And then you might ask me like, okay, but what about this? This is great, but you know, I love my ring planner. It's just a love thing, right? It's just a preference thing. So that sterling ink is still there, but I do appreciate my rings so much. And I love my inserts. I love printing out my inserts. I love cutting them up. I love the whole thing, you guys, you know that. However, I created some new layouts. I put some up on our members files a few days ago this week, so make sure to check that out if you're a member. I have this new weekly, which is blank, it's undated. It's Monday through Friday on the left, Saturday, Sunday, and the 6 squares in here represents like how long this task will take. So if it takes more than an hour, I would probably go down the line. And then as soon as I'm done with that, I would just exit out. That's the idea behind this insert. I haven't used it, however, just yet. And then I have the dailies. So these are my old dailies. And then I needed a little journaling, so I attempted at journaling here. I have some old sterling ink pages cut up from like previous years. And so I have that in here. I think this might even be Hobonichi paper, who knows? But anyway, it's in here. And so anytime I want to journal, I'll just take this out and put it in the day that I journaled. When I'm rapid logging, I like to use this way. So as you can see, I love that. And so I have some of these in there as well as I do have these in here. These are the newest ones. I did include these in the members files as well. So make sure to check that out if you guys like this. It is undated, so it is supposed to be used for a daily. However, you could use it for whatever. You can make a list out of it. You could journal in here. I certainly could journal in here. In fact, I journaled in some of the previous pages in here just because I felt like I needed it in that moment. So did my sterling ink in that moment lose the spotlight? It did. And that's kind of the attempt, is what if I could just have a pocket planner instead and nothing more. But so far I am loving still the space in here and the ability to just write without worrying about my writing or anything. I could be so sloppy in here, and I love that about this notebook. In here, not so much. I feel like I am gravitating towards writing neatly in here. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know. That's how I feel. So not sure if this is going to be in the lineup for 2026, but I am definitely considering it. So I will say for now, nothing's for sure, but when 2026 rolls around, I do believe that I will be picking and choosing out of these 3 sizes. I don't even want to say size because I do have a sterling ink. I'm not going to be for sure, even if I choose to go with this route, I'm not going to be using an A5. In fact, I already have this ready to go. It's a compact size notebook, and this is an A5 slim. So what's great about this is I considered this size just because I have this beautiful Louis Vuitton cover and it fits perfectly. It's the same size and same amount of pages in here. So I will be putting this in here and using it that way. So I thought it would be perfect. It has some blue highlights in here, pop of colors, and it would just look really beautiful in here. So I'll be using this instead of this size. It's definitely different. A5 Slim versus the A5. So I'll be using this if I choose to go with this route. And then if I choose to go with the pocket, then I'll go with the normal pocket, not the Pocket Plus inserts. And I might even go do this together. This stays on the desktop, and this may or may not follow me around. Or I might go this way, which is my personal and my pocket. Personal is definitely a really good size. I just don't know, you guys. I just don't know that I need, I don't know. I don't think I will need the personal and the A5 Slim. I'll be choosing one or the other because one of them, I mean, either way, that size is going to be sitting on my desk at all times. So yeah, it's just really between these two. Oh, this is another one. This is every 15-minute increment audit dailies. So time audit dailies. So this is going to be in the shop, but I think I put it in the members file as well. Go check that out. Let me know if it's not there. I will pop it in there. So it's just, again, just auditing your time of how you used each hour in every 15 minutes. I don't think you will need this all the time, but on those weeks where you're like, okay, I need to audit my time, I need to see where my time is going, then this is that sheet that you should have readily available in your planner. These, like I said, I don't use it, so I would have this much paper in my planner, which I don't mind. So yeah, I am still undecided for 2026. I did not order any Hobonichis this year. I don't think that I will, but you know, who knows? I might have the itch for it, but I don't think that I will. I'm pretty set with this. I do have one more sterling ink coming. I got a gift from my friend and I was like, oh, I might like it. So I ordered another one for myself. But if I don't end up going with that sterling ink planner, I will for sure go with this and give that other one to my daughter. So yeah, I have options, you guys, for 2026. What do you think? What are your options? And have you decided? Have you made a solid decision as to what you're going to do with 2026 lineup of your paper planners? For certain, I am staying in Notion. There's nothing changing on that side, but on the paper side of things, I'm just trying to decide what it is that I want to do. Of course, I'm not going to have 4 planners laying around on my desk. I'm going to have one, and then one most likely, or maybe 2, maybe up to 2. But right now it's 1, 2, 3. So just because I'm deciding, this one is tucked away until next year, but it's these 3. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I gravitate towards the most and make a decision. I'll let you guys know. I'll follow up on this topic later on in the year. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments, and otherwise I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.